Bitcoin is going to crash under $70,000 and most people won't even see it coming. On December 18th, Japan could trigger a sudden market crash, and Bitcoin could be the first asset to feel it. The reason is simple. The Bank of Japan meets December 18th to 19th, and markets are bracing for a rate hike from approximately 0.5% to approximately 0.75%. For years, the yen has been the world's cheap money. Big players borrowed yen and parked it in risky assets like stocks, indexes, and crypto. But when Japan hikes rates, the yen can strengthen fast, and that cheap funding trade starts breaking. That's when the real damage happens. Traders unwind leveraged positions and they dump what's easiest to sell quickly. And Bitcoin is one of the most liquid things on earth, so it gets hit hard in risk-off waves. And this is exactly why $70,000 becomes a real target. Bitcoin has already been sliding on Bank of Japan hike expectations, and an 18 to 20% liquidity flush is all it takes to push price near $70,000. We've already seen Japan-linked shock moves before. When the Bank of Japan ended negative rates on March 19th, 2024, Bitcoin dropped sharply, down as much as 6.5% that day, and it was reported sliding to around $62.7 thousand. Then on July 31st, 2024, after another BOJ hike, Bitcoin was still pressured, holding near $66,000 while the yen strengthened. And in January 2025, Bitcoin initially looked stable, even after the BOJ hiked again, which is the warning. Sometimes the market doesn't crash instantly. It crashes when leverage finally snaps a little later. So if Japan hikes and the yen rips, Bitcoin can wick down violently, and $70,000 becomes the liquidity magnet where panic selling can land.